Hello beauties, how are you doing? Hopefully you're good. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I decided to show you how to do these trending braids. I've seen all over the social networks this hairstyle trending, and I decided to show you how you can get this look step by step. So if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much honey for coming back. Welcome back. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Glory Tui, and before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, and also don't forget to share this video with your loved ones you would like to let them know how to do this hairstyle. So I start by parting my hair into two, just like this way, front and back. And then in front, to make even section, I go ahead and I divide my hair into two again, and then I make sure I secure both sides. And then I'm going to work with bigger section because you would like to do this hair bigger, so you don't need to do small because you want this hair look bulky. And then after I part the first time, I go ahead and I redo the line again. Of course, you have to apply some gel so that it will be easier for you to part or to section your hair. And then after this, go ahead and make the section you'd like to work with. You may either decide bigger than mine or smaller than mine, but this style looks good when you do bigger section. So after I part the sections, I go ahead and I do three-way braids. You may either decide to start with the middle section, which will go under my thumb finger, or you may either decide to pick from either right or left. It's all up to you, because I see a lot of people, they're doing different way to do braids, but then go with the method that works for you. And then here I almost done, which I repeat exactly the same thing. And I'm telling you, this hairstyle is so easy because you don't need to work with small section. And then in front, I'll also work with bigger section, and then I go ahead and braid. If you are wondering, or if you are like you don't know how to braid, go ahead and use elastic band to secure your braid. Elastic band or rubber band. So use the rubber band to secure your braids, and then crochet and start to braid all from the beginning. That is also an easy method, but I've done that in couple video, and I decided to show something different. So here I almost done with section, and let me show you how this hair looks like. So here I have total of 33 sections. So you need this fluffy kink hair. You need 2 packs. I use color 2 over 30, but you may either decide to use any color you want depending on the color you like. So each piece, this is how it looks like. So go ahead and start to pull the hair or to stretch the hair. Take your time to do this. And I realized once you put this hair in water before you pull them, the process becomes easier more than when you start to pull them direct without put them in water. So I will highly recommend that pull them in water. You may either decide either cold water or warm water. It's all up to you. And then make sure you pull them till they look like male hair. Make sure you get like a really natural texture. And because this is the first section I didn't put in water, I decided to spray some water to see how easy it will be after I do like different process, because you just want to do something easy and quick. And then I pull again, and as you can see, this second time after I apply after I apply some water, it becomes easier to pull this hair more than the first time before I spray some water. And this is how this hair looks like after I stretch it. So go ahead and divide this hair into 2. So each section I use one section from fluffy kinky hair. I mean, I didn't add any hair in any section. So divide the hair into two. One side, make sure it's smaller and the one is bigger. The small size, make sure you fold. I mean, after you crochet, of course, you will fold into two, so you'll get bigger section. I crochet and then I make sure I will tuck in my natural hair, because I don't want when I braid or after I braid all over my hair show out. And then this other section, you may either decide you may grab on top or you may either grab side to side. It's all up to you. And then start to braid. And when you are braiding, make sure you try your best to tuck in your hair, because you want your hair to look like same color. You don't want to show like black white like a zebra. Okay, and then I keep going. So after I braid like 10 steps or 15, wherever you may either decide till you part your natural hair, it's all up to you. And then I start to do really loose braids. As you can see, very loose braids. And I keep braiding till almost in the end of this hair. And you see, when I see like the hair is almost finished, I go ahead and start to do tie braids in the end to avoid this hair to unravel. And then after this, the fewer or small amount of hair remaining, I take and I wrap backward, just like the way we do regular locks. And then I put on my palm and I roll. Here it's so easy and simple like this way, and I repeat exactly the same process. To make this hair become bigger or fuller, you have to make sure you do like really loose braids. After you part your hair, make sure you do really loose braids to get this look.